Guess what? I just made amala and ewedu and it came out really nice. Oh my days. Hello food lovers, come with me and see what I made amala and ewedu. So on today's episode I'll be showing you how to make amala and ewedu soup. This recipe was inspired by one of my mentors and it was a really great trial. So food lovers, you get your ewedu, you remove it from the stick. Make sure you wash it very well. So food lovers, I'm washing this vegetable with salt, a pinch of salt. I will neatly wash it well, keep it aside, and then bring out my blender. I'm going to be blending this ewedu neatly, so I'll put it inside my blender. Mind you, we can also use what we called broom. The Yoruba call it broom. You can use it to match it. That is the local way, but now make life easy, so you have to blend it together, including your iru. So you have to include your iru to blend everything together. After blending together, guys, you put it in your pot and make sure that it's well settled, and you boil it. In boiling it, you are boiling it to ensure that the ewedu can draw very well. So then you add your mangi for taste. This mangi will help you to give it an amazing taste. As you can see, the ewedu can draw. So our ewedu is ready. So guys, let's prepare the amala. Amala is so easy to prepare and is soft and succulent. You will enjoy this recipe, guys. So this is our amala. Then we'll get a pot, put water, put a pinch of groundnut oil. Why you're putting this groundnut oil is so that the amala will not stick with the pot. So when you are done, you can easily remove the amala without it sticking the pot. So you pour your amala flour inside your pot and start stirring it together. Guys, you are going to stir this together to ensure that there's no lump in the amala. So when you are done, you can now add a little water. Allow it to cook for 2 minutes. After cooking it, then you take your time to stir it together. Ensure there's no lump in the amala. Then the amazing amala is ready. So guys, this is the recipe for amala and ewedu. Let me dish it out for everyone. As you can see, you put your amala, you put your gbegiri nicely, then you put your ewedu by the side. This ewedu is so delicious. Eating it alone is delicious, then combining it is amazing. So after that, you put your protein, your meat, your pomo, your shaki, everything. After putting it, guys, just sit down and relax. Make sure you devour this meal at a go. You will enjoy every bit of it. So let me know when you try this recipe at home. Just send me a comment in the comment section. I will be waiting for your feedback. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment on our page. Thank you so much. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.